provide some additional information on the blockchain and everything else I mentioned. Okay, okay. I'm going to talk to you guys more about the blockchain. I'm going to definitely talk to you guys more about the blockchain and everything with it. Now, if you guys, let's get into it some right now. I know I was investing in multiple things, right? I was already investing in multiple things, but right now, the only thing that I'm honestly investing in right now is Doge. That's it. And I bought in at like 7 cents. So y'all think about it like that. I know I had like $2,000 in like XRP and these different type of, cryptocurrencies. But right now, the only thing I have my money in is Doge. And I bought in at 7 cents. And I'm going to continue to buy into Doge. I just, Musk is going to the moon, and the point that he's supporting it, I think too that made me like, okay, let me look into this, let me investigate it, let me get into this really deep, and let me get some Doge. But I don't know if that's before or after though. I'm thinking about if I knew that Musk was doing it, but I started seeing those numbers, or I started seeing like the potential, and then one of my realtor buddies, Renee, she was like, oh, yeah, I want to get Doge. And I'm thinking like, because I started teaching her about the cryptocurrency. So for her to gravitate towards it, I'm like, you know what? I never really looked into it. And that's when I actually bought into it. So that's the only thing that I'm investing in right now, you guys. But definitely, I'm going to get more into the blockchain. Let me know if you know about that, because sometimes I ask y'all, do y'all want to learn about this? Do y'all want to learn about that? But y'all don't even know that y'all need to learn about it. Like, sometimes I think, oh, they might not want to learn about it, or some people say, I didn't want to see it, and it's like, okay, it probably wasn't for you. But when I tell y'all how much cryptocurrency and the blockchain has changed my life, especially if you know how to get in and out, and you know where to put your money at, you know which ones are gonna go high. Like I got into when I was invested in Ethereum and stuff like that, I bought it at 1,000. And look at it now. Look today, right now. Look and see how much it is when I first. So even if I jump out of certain things, or what, I'm going to eventually buy back into some of these places, but I'm just in Doge right now. I still want to tell you guys about it, because maybe you want to hold some of that in your portfolio, or maybe you don't have a portfolio and you should. Seriously, I just think about me investing in cryptocurrency, how much that's going to be worth in the future, how much it's going to help me, how much it's going to help my family. So I definitely want to stay, on top of the cryptocurrency and the blockchain. And I will definitely keep you guys updated on the blockchain and teach you guys more about the blockchain as I learn it too. And I had a client, I believe her name is Carrie. And if I got your name wrong, I'm sorry. But I had a client, she was talking to me, and she was like, well, I stopped real estate because I just, she got into the cryptocurrency. And when I tell y'all it's lucrative, especially if you're doing it right, then I mean it, you guys. Definitely look into it, and I'll teach you guys more about it. And if you don't know anything about it, I think that you should, because our credit reports eventually is going to be on the blockchain. It's going to be on the blockchain, and we have to understand that. Kind of coming at the internet right now, the blockchain is like a whole new thing. We got to know about it, you guys. But I'll definitely keep you guys posted.